Good morning, students. Good morning, students. This is Shweval sir speaking. In some previous videos, we had a discussion on exercise 1.2, 1.1 and 1.2. So in this particular video, we will be going through a discussion on exercise 1.3. Some questions on integers and their multiplications and verifications. So children, as we can see over here in the first question, 3 into minus 1. These are like a sort of a multiplication in which we have to multiply and get the answer. So in the first question of question number 1 of exercise 1.3, that is 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Is minus 3. Next number is about minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. In this multiplication, we have to find the product of these three numbers, in which minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. Here, as we can see, there are three negative numbers. Whenever we have odd number of negative signs, when you have odd number of negative signs, the result becomes negative. If there are positive number of negative numbers or minus sign, it becomes positive. So here, as we can see, it's minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. It becomes minus into minus plus minus minus. It becomes minus. Now 5, as we have multiplied the symbols, minus into minus into minus, result will be in negative. Result will be negative. 5 18s are 90. 5 18s are 90. 90 into 4 is 360. Thing is that why we are multiplying the negative symbols first? Because here, as we can see, the numbers are least number of numbers are given away. There are only 3 numbers. So here we can multiply easily. But what about the multiplications? Suppose we have 200, 300, 1 lakh number of negative numbers to be multiplied. What we will do in that case? Is it possible to multiply 1 lakh numbers, 1 lakh negative numbers? It's not possible. So in that case, we have to use a technique. The technique is, we will check how many numbers are given. If it is 10, for an example, if it is 10 is an even number. If I'm multiplying 10 negative numbers, it will be surely a positive value. It will be surely a positive value. If I'm multiplying, suppose for an example, 27 negative numbers. If I'm multiplying 27 negative numbers, it will be surely, the answer will be negative. Answer will be in negative. If I'm multiplying 27 negative numbers, answer will be negative, because 27 is an odd number. It's an odd number. So in case of even number of multiplications, it becomes positive. In case of odd number of multiplications, it becomes negative. Now here in this question, minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. Here we can see there are 4 numbers. 4 numbers are to be multiplied. All 4 numbers are negative numbers. So surely the answer will be positive. Through 3 6 are 18, 18 2s are 36, 36 into 1, 36 only. It will be 36 only. Answer will be positive. Now children, here we are going for verification of numbers. Verification of numbers are 18 into, in left hand side in the first question, 18 into in bracket 7 plus minus 3. And in right hand side we can see 18 into 7 plus in bracket 18 into minus 3. So children, how we will verify these numbers? It's really very easy. We will be using a very simple process. LHS and RHS. In LHS, the number is 18 into 7 plus in bracket minus 3. So let's check. 18 into in bracket 7 plus minus 3. 18 into 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 18s are 72. My left hand side value is 72. And I'll check my right hand side now. My right hand side, the value is 18 into 7 plus in bracket 18 into minus 3. 18 into 7 and 18 into minus 3. We have to solve it separately as they are separated by using a bracket. 7 18s are 126. 7 18s are 126 plus in bracket 3 into 18 is 54, and here is a minus sign, so it will be minus. Now 126 plus into minus they will be multiplied 54. 126 minus 54 is 72. So children, here we can see we got LHS and RHS both sides equal values. We got equal values in both the hands. So it means it's right, it's correct. In the next question, we are going to solve like this. In the similar process, we will be solving minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6. And next side is minus 21 into minus 4 plus in bracket minus 21 into minus 6. So I'll be expecting children, you'll be going through these sums, and if you're facing problem, you can drop your questions in my WhatsApp or in Google Classroom app as well. And the similar questions will be carrying, and the assignments which I have given in the previous class, those assignments should be solved. These assignments are very simple and very easy, and solving during while you are solving these questions, assignments questions, or the questions which I have shown in this particular video, if you're facing problem in solving these questions, you can drop your question, you can drop your queries in Google Classroom app. Thank you children, thank you so much.